In this video, I will show you how to simply control your Google TV from your phone right here, just like what you see right here, using your phone as your remote control without any stress. Whatever you are doing on your phone is going to be directed on the Google TV, just like what you see right here. Okay, when I press on my phone right here, it control my TV. You do not need the remote any longer with this particular remote control on your phone right here. So you can simply, even from here, you can navigate to settings right here. You have everything right here. If you want to connect to YouTube, you can simply click on YouTube right here, and then it's going to connect. If you want to go back to the home page right here, everything is very much possible. Correct from control right here from your Android or iPhone. Whatever type of phone you are using, you can actually do this thing on your phone without any stress. Let me show you how. One thing you need to know is that there are apps that you need to download. If you are using Android phone, you just want to make sure you go to your Play Store, proceed to your Play Store, and make sure you search for this particular app right here. Search for ZOS Remote, and hit on search, and this is the app right here. Make sure you download and install this app. After the successful download, it open, it's going to show you right here. Now you can from here control your TV the way I'm doing it right here. After the successful download ZOS app, then you need to download the browser on your Google TV. The name of the browser is this one right here, internet browser. Make sure you download and install internet browser. If I click on open now, you see that the web browser is going to simply load up on my Google TV right here, just like so. So you need to make sure you download this particular web browser. So after the successful download, then you can simply pair your remote. You can simply pair your remote with this particular web browser. So I'm going to close all the browser tab right here. I'm going to close all the browser tab right here. So you can see I'm controlling my phone, I'm controlling my TV right from my phone right here. So after a successful download and install the browser, it's going to take you right here. So from here now, what you need to do is you're going to have two tabs right here. The first tab is going to be control your TV with remote, while the other one is going to be quick start right here, the one you are seeing right now. So all you have to do is to make sure you navigate to the control your TV with remote. So once you click on control your TV with remote, it's going to bring out where you have to scan the QR code. You can directly scan the QR code from your Google TV right here, or better still, you can download from Play Store or App Store. All you have to do after a successful download, just connect. Once you connect, it's going to show in your screen or on your screen of the phone right there. Then if you want to go back to the home page, you can literally control everything from your phone. Let's go back to my home page right here. So I'm going to click on this home icon, or click on this arrow. This will allow me to go back. Do you want to assist? Click on OK, and then I'm going back to the entire screen of my Google TV right here. You can see I'm back to the home screen right here. I can literally control everything, slide to the sidebar, bottom, up and down, as the case may be. We can literally do anything right here. We can also make use of this to control the volume of our Google TV or Android TV. So for that, just tap on the volume right here. So if you want to increase the volume, just click and hold down. Once you click and hold down, the volume begins to increase. Everything depends on how you want to increase the volume, just like so. If you want to decrease the volume, just tap again, and the volume begins to decrease right here. So just like so, and you are done. So if you want to mute the volume, click on here. You can see it as mute. So you can literally control everything on this particular phone right from your Google TV screen display. So you can slide down just like so. Just like so. I can easily come to the top right here and slide to this side. Everything depends on what exactly you want to do with your. So let me simply go back to the home tab, just like so. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to do with your. Back to the home tab. with your Google TV and your smartphone or iPhone. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.